Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you! Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. This is a big envelope and as usual, it's from Amazon. Amazon. Lovely smile from Amazon. Let's see.
It's daisy.
It's a daisy. It's just a big envelope. It covers my face. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is that? Oh, so it's keyboard.
Yeah.
Gaming.
I bought it.
For games.
I didn't buy it for that. I bought it to use with your.
Windows.
Your
It says Windows 10 compatible.
yeah. I thought you might be able to use it with your thing.
The
With the
laptop.
set-top boxes. The TV set-top. Internet boxes.
Oh right, okay, I know what you
It might
mean.
be easier. If it works, I'm not too sure. It said on Amazon you can use it with what's
TV.
what's that thing? The operating system on your mobiles and the set-top boxes? Android.
Android.
Yeah, it says it works with Android, so
Oh.
you'll have to try it when you get time to see if it will work.
All right. Okay.
The only thing is it's too big, it takes up too much space.
So this is the key description, specification, system requirement. So it's like Chrome, Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Linux OS, USB. So it's a lead backlit, backlit.
Have a look inside, see how it looks.
Okay, let's see what's in here. Let's see how it looks like this keyboard. So it needs cutting. And there's another one here. So it can be sealed again. I didn't cut it. Oh, so it's quite big.
Yes, full-size keyboard.
It's a full-size keyboard. There. And there is a manual here. So let's put this in here. Okay, so let's take it off from the thing. Oh, it's what do you call that? It's pulled up. See, look at this, guys. So it's sitting in this thing. So, oh, so that's cool.
It's unusual.
I haven't seen keyboard like this before. It looks strange. it looks nice, guys. Looks very nice. So there is a thing here. So
It's USB.
yeah,
Right, just plug it in and hopefully it will work.
oh, so plug it in and then you can. Oh, so there's the thing.
The only thing is there is no mouse, so I don't know how that works. What do you use instead of a mouse?
This.
That's the space button.
No, I can use the remote, I think.
Well, the thing is to use this instead of the remote when you're like trying to search for something.
I'm not
It's
really
awkward
sure.
to do it with a remote on your set-top boxes.
Yeah.
It takes time.
It's yeah. Let's
So
see.
the reason I bought this is if it works with them, then just use this. It should be easier, quicker to do when you're
Rather-
searching for something.
rather than the remote.
Yeah, the remote takes a long time.
Mm-hmm.
You have to go up, down, sideways.
Oh.
Press one. If you press the wrong one, you have to go back again.
Yeah, so that's good then. It's
If
very
it works, so you'll have
Yeah.
to try and see.
So we have to try it first and see if it works.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have to try it first, guys. So I haven't seen like this before. So I think this is especially for gaming. So this is what they use in gaming, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it's not just for gaming.
Yeah, it's not just for gaming. But because you can
It can replace any keyboard. So
yeah, backlit. What is three colors backlights?
there's lights as well. When you plug it in, it should
So
light
there's
up so you can see it in the dark.
oh, so it lights up the underneath.
I think so.
So you can see. Okay, baby, here. Can you read this? Oh, all right. Okay. So this is very interesting, guys.
Yeah.
So I have to try it first, guys, and see how it works.
Get something new for the new year.
Yeah. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you.